Hi, Namaskar everyone. A very good evening to all of you and happy Vesak Day. Okay. Thank you for coming, although it's a public holiday. It's very nice to see all of you. And somehow it's raining. Okay, we will wait for few minutes and then we can start. Okay, while waiting, since it can hear me clearly, right? Is there any? Can I? Okay, while waiting for others to join, I'll just a kutti story, a little story on life, about life, since it's Vesak Day. Okay. How many of you miss going to Buddha temple? How many of you will go normally? Normally will go to Buddha temple, okay, on a yearly basis, yes. Okay, yeah, I know. Normally நாங்க வந்து போவோம் because I mean it's public holiday, so we'll just go and I love Buddha and so my husband. And normally he will donate blood in Buddha temple. Normally every year Buddha temple வந்து blood donation bank அந்த ஒரு kiosk இருக்கும். So normally we will do that. I mean he will do that. Sometimes I can't donate because sometimes இல்லை எனக்கு ஒரே ஒரு வாட்டி தான் donate பண்ணியிருக்கேன் due to my low blood pressure or other issues that normally happen. Okay, so before we start, a quick story about life on Buddha சொல்லலாம், but not about Buddha, but about life. Okay. Okay, so this is how it goes. So normally Buddha வந்து தியானம் பண்ணிட்டு இருப்பாரு, right? On தியானம் பண்ணிட்டு இருப்பாரு. He's just a humble man. He's being there. So normally வந்து people will go to him looking for advice, seeking for advice, or seeking for blessings and so on. So this one fine day, there's a man, okay, went to see Buddha. என்ன ஏன் போனார்னா to do a last ritual for his dad who have passed away. Okay, கடைசி ritual செய்ய போறாரு. புடாட்ட போய் இது சொல்றாரு, இந்த மாதிரி எனக்கு ஹெல்ப் பண்ணுங்க, my father has passed away and do some last ritual for him. Okay, I could have looked for other priests over here, but I would like you to do because என்ன சொன்னார்னா I want all my father's sin. I'm not sure how much of bad things he have done, how much of good things he have done, but I want all his sins to go away and to make sure நீங்க செய்யற rituals வந்து அவரை ஹெவனுக்கு அனுப்பும் அப்படின்னு. Okay, so Buddha வந்து எதுவுமே சொல்லல. அவர் என்ன சொன்னார்னா, okay, go to the market or go somewhere to the shop, take 2 pots, I mean buy 2 pots, one filled with butter and another one filled with pebbles. Okay, kallu stones. One filled with butter and another one filled with pebbles or stones. Okay, we would say. So இவரும் ஓகே புடா வந்து இந்த ரிச்சுவல்ஸ் தான் செய்ய போறாரு எங்க அப்பாக்கு அப்படி சொல்லிட்டு போறாரு. போயிட்டு 2 same size of pot he bought. He came, he have tied it up inside the pot and then Buddha கொடுக்குறாரு. So Buddha சொன்னாரா, so go to the pond, a lake or pond, and then throw this pot in அப்படின்னு. So இவரும் okay fine pot உள்ளுக்கு போட்டுட்டாரு. So the moment you put the pot, normally it will slowly sink down, right? So இதே மாதிரி slowly it sinked down. Sink down பண்ணிட்டோன்னே நர்புடா சொல்றாரு, okay now break both the pots அப்படின்னு. So once he break one by one, ஒரு pot வந்து உடஞ்சிட்டோன்னே ஒரு பாட்ல இருந்த பட்டர் வந்து மேல வந்துருச்சு. Okay, ஒரு பாட்ல இருந்த pebbles வந்து ஸ்டோன்ஸ் வந்து கீழே definitely it will sink, right? Sink பண்ணிருச்சு. அப்ப கேக்குறாரு, புடா சொல்றாரு, okay now call your priest and ask the butter to sink, make the ritual butter to sink and the pebbles to float அப்படின்னு. Then the young man said, it's impossible. Okay, there is no uh, rituals, or there's no such things as you can make the pebbles or the stone float or make the butter sink, because that's the nature அப்படின்னு சொல்றாரு. இப்ப புடா சொல்றாரு, see, as a human being, you know the law of nature. Okay, definitely, if a cotton will sink, okay, feather, butter will not sink. You can't actually change a nature of things that already happened or that's already happening. Means, what is the moral of the story? The Buddha is actually trying to say to the young man, see, good things or bad things that you have done in past, or that you are actually doing or you will do, கடைசி வரைக்கும், if you don't find okay, karmaன்னு சொல்லுவாங்க, if you don't pay back your karma, it will definitely, இப்ப இறந்துட்டோன்னே definitely, if you can't expect for you to do all bad things and then go to heaven. Can அப்படி முடியுமா? Can we எல்லாம் தப்பு செஞ்சுட்டு then I want to go to heaven அப்படி சொல்ல முடியுமா? Then pray, God please bring me to heaven. அப்புறம் rituals எல்லாம் செய்யறது, like, என்னது, நான் இவ்வளவு தப்பு செஞ்சுட்டேன், or my someone that I know have done so much of bad things, but then I want them to go to heaven. It will not happen. It's என்ன சொல்றது, it's beyond the law. Okay, the fruit that you get is what you have done, what you are doing, and what you will be doing. Okay, so do all good things. Okay, வெசாடி okay, வெசாடி மட்டும் நான் good things செய்றேன் அப்படிலாம் இல்ல. Okay, ஏதாவது நல்ல நாள் மட்டும், okay, I'll do good things. Okay, yeah, I feed the poor, I will feed the dogs, I will feed here, I'll donate blood, I'll do this, I'll do that, but all during the good days. அப்படி இல்லவே இல்ல. Throughout your life, see, let's say normally I would say, do not talk about the past. Okay, whatever that you have done in your past, it's past. You are living for the present moment. அப்படிதான் நான் எப்போதுமே சொல்றது. I apply that in my life also, that I live for my present. But whatever you have done in past, normally you will try to repay back or repair it. Okay, by doing good things, or by talking good, by doing good and stuff like that. So this is life. So this is life circle. Whatever you do, you will get back. Right? Whatever good things you do, you will see. And do not expect result. எதிர்பார்க்காதீங்க. ஓகே, நான் இவ்வளோ ப்ராக்டிஸ் பண்றேன், ஸோ இந்த ஒரு மாசத்துக்குள்ள நான் வந்து இந்த போஸ்ட் நான் அடைஞ்சிடணும். ஓகே, சி, அந்த போஸ்ட் உங்க கோல் இல்லை. Throughout your life, you practice, which makes perfect. See, இப்போ வந்து ஒரு போஸ்ட் அடைஞ்சிட்டீங்கன்னா, it doesn't mean that, okay, I have let's say I've done split, I've achieved split. Okay, that is not the end of the post. Actually, there's a lot of things I should consider. Okay, how I breathe, how I place my body, how much breathing I can stay. Let's say I இப்போ நான் வந்து split வந்து 5 seconds செய்றேன். Okay, my aim next will be good breathing with 10 counts, 20 counts and 30 counts. Okay, and the madri. So good things will keep on happening as you practice. See, good things as you practice doing good things will tend to happen in life. And bad things, this one I normally say, the moment you have started yoga, the moment you have practiced, good things will slowly come in. You will see changes in yourself, in people surrounding you, and you will know bad things will actually go off. Bad vibes, bad people, those who are talking bad about you, or any bad things or any negative things will actually leave you slowly. Okay, but surely. All right. Okay, all got the moral of the story. Buddha என்ன சொல்ல வந்தாருன்னு. Okay, okay, Buddha நிறைய விஷயம் சொல்லியிருக்காரு, அதுல ஒண்ணுதான் இது. Okay, the fruit of your action depends on what are the things that you have done. Okay, and what are the things that you will be doing. Okay, always do good, always think good, be good, talk good, and think good. Okay, with that, kata on Vesak Day, we will start our practice. Tasha, you okay? Are you fine? Good? All right. Okay, let's go to your mat. Sit up straight. Relax yourself. Inhale. Exhale. Sit straight. Close your eyes. Keep your spine straight. Relax your facial muscles. Relax your shoulder muscles. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. If there's any thoughts in your mind, just be aware of it. Do not get engaged to any of your thoughts. Inhale. Exhale. Be here. Be at the present moment. Embrace each and every part of your body, from your head to your toe. Focus in your breathing and tell yourself this is a practice all for yourself. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Okay, slowly open your eyes. Stretch out your legs. Okay, hands at the side. Keep your spine straight. Inhale, squeeze your toes. Exhale, twitch. Inhale, squeeze your toes. Exhale, twitch. Inhale, bend your ankle. Exhale, twitch your body. Inhale, bend your ankle. Exhale, legs apart, toes pointing to each other. Inhale down. Exhale up. Inhale down. Exhale. Now inhale up. Exhale all the way down. Inhale up. Exhale all the way. Legs together. Hands on the knee. Inhale, lift up the heels with your spine straight. Exhale, come. Inhale, lift up. Exhale, come back. Once again, inhale, lift up, hold. Exhale, come back. Now bring both of your soles together. Closer to your body. Move your knee up and down. Titiyasana butterfly. Okay, as fast as you can. Now inhale, head up. Exhale, you elongate your spine and you go forward. Stay wherever you are. See, do not go like this, no hunch, but you elongate your spine and you go. Okay? Elongate your spine and you go down. Slowly try to touch. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale, come up. Exhale once again, go down. 1, 2, 3, 4. Inhale, come up. Stretch out your legs. Bend your right leg. Interlock below. Okay. Inhale up straight. Exhale down. Left. Inhale up. Exhale right. Inhale up. Exhale on your thigh. Massage your sole arm, your knee. Right hand on the right knee. See this leg, keep it engaged. Toes pointing towards your body. Right hand on the right leg. Inhale, push down. Exhale, pull up. Inhale, push down. Exhale, pull up. Release. Do hip rotation. Inhale, up. Exhale, down. Inhale, up. Exhale, down. Release. Left leg. Interlock. Keep your spine straight. Inhale, up. Exhale, right. Inhale, up. Exhale, left. Inhale, up. Exhale on your thigh. Massage your sole of your knee. Left hand on the left knee. Inhale, push down. Exhale, pull up. Inhale, push down. Exhale, pull up. Release, do hip rotation. Inhale, up. Exhale, down. Inhale, up. Exhale, down. Release. Right leg over left leg. Pull in. Seated position. Stretch out your fingers. Keep your spine straight. Inhale up, stretch your fingers up. Exhale all the way down towards your ribs. Inhale up, exhale down. Inhale up, bend your thumb and your fingers clockwise. Wrist rotation. Anti-clockwise. Bring your thumb to your shoulder. Elbows together. Inhale up. Interlock. Exhale, look up. Inhale, drop down to the front. Exhale all the way back. Inhale up. Exhale forward. Once again, inhale up. Interlock. Exhale, look up. Inhale, drop down to the front. Exhale all the way back. Inhale up. Exhale forward. Release. Now for your neck. Inhale up. Exhale center. Inhale down. Keep your spine straight. Exhale center. To your right. Inhale. Exhale center. To your left. Inhale. Exhale center. Tilt your neck to your right. Slowly. Exhale center. To your left. You tilt. Exhale center. Last part eyeball exercise. Interlock your fingers. Gaze at your thumb. Inhale up. Exhale center. Inhale down. Exhale center. Inhale to your right. Only move your eyeballs. Look at the right hand side. Exhale center. To your left. Exhale center. Inhale to the tip of your nose. Gaze at your thumb. Inhale 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to the center. To the space in between your eyebrows. Relax your eyebrows. Look at your thumb. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to the center. And slowly come to the front of your mat. Okay, stand up, come to the front of your mat. We'll start with Surya Namaskar. Okay, legs apart according to your hip width. Hands on Namaskar Mudra, close your eyes. Tell yourself this is a practice all for yourself, for inner peace, good health, good wealth, great wisdom. Through the practice of yoga, you will spread happiness, love, light, good thoughts, good deeds, harmony to yourself, to your family, and to all those around you. Before we start our practice today, let's thank the universe, thank the Mother Nature, thank the Gurus, Yogis, Mahants, and Rishis. Thank your teacher, thank your fellow practitioners, thank yourself, thank each and every part of your body from your head to your toe for giving you the time, the strength, the opportunity, and the ability to practice yoga today. Slowly open your eyes, inhale sideways up to the center. Inhale all the way to the back. Exhale all the way down. Right leg back. Inhale, open. Both hands down, bring the other leg back. Exhale, mountain. One, 2, 3, 4, 5. Knee down, chest down, chin down. Inhale, cobra. Niroj, bend your elbow. Bend. Yes. Exhale, child. Inhale, cat. Exhale, mountain. Yes. Breathe. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right leg forward. Inhale, open, look up. Both hands down, bring the other leg forward. Knees straight. Inhale all the way up. Exhale all the way down. Left leg back. Inhale, open. Both hands down, bring the other leg back. Exhale, out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Knee down, chest down, chin down. Inhale, cobra. Exhale, child. Inhale, cat. Exhale, mountain. Left leg forward. Inhale, open. Both hands down, bring the other leg forward. Knees straight. Inhale all the way up. Exhale all the way down. Right leg back. Inhale, open. Both hands down, bring the other leg back. Exhale, mountain. Knee down, chest down, chin down. Inhale, cobra. Exhale, giant. Inhale, cat. Exhale, mountain. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right leg forward. Inhale, open. Both hands down. Bring the other leg forward. Knee straight. Inhale all the way up. Exhale all the way down. Left leg back. Inhale, open. Both hands down. Bring the other leg back. Exhale, mountain. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Knee down, chest down, chin down. Inhale, cobra. Exhale, giant. Inhale, cat. Exhale, mountain. Breathe. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Left leg forward. Inhale, open. Both hands down, bring the other leg forward, knee straight. Inhale, third round, inhale all the way up. Exhale all the way down. Right leg back. Inhale, open. Both hands down, bring the other leg back. Exhale, mountain. Knee down, chest down, chin down. Inhale, cobra. Exhale, child. Inhale, cat. Exhale, mountain. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right leg forward. Inhale, open. Both hands down. Bring the other leg forward. Knee straight. Inhale all the way up. Exhale all the way down. Left leg back. Inhale, open. Both hands down. Bring the other leg back. Exhale, mountain. Knee straight. Spread out your fingers. Ears align with your shoulders. Knee down, chest down, chin down. Inhale, cobra. Exhale, child. Inhale, cat. And exhale, mountain. Left leg forward. Inhale, open. Look up. Yes. Both hands down. Bring the other leg forward. Knee straight. Inhale all the way up. Exhale all the way down. Right leg back. Inhale, open. Both hands down, bring the other leg back. Exhale, mountain. Knee down, chest down, chin down. Inhale, cobra. Exhale, child. Inhale, cat. And exhale, mountain. Right leg forward. Inhale, open. Both hands down, bring the other leg forward. Knee straight. Inhale all the way up. Exhale all the way down. Left leg back. Kashni, you have to go down. Left leg back. Inhale, open. நீங்க குனிஞ்சு தான் போகணும். Both hands down now. Both hands down. Then you bend your knee and then left leg back. Both hands down. The other leg back. Exhale, mountain. Knee down, chest down, chin down. Inhale, cobra. Exhale, child. Inhale, cat. Exhale, mountain. Left leg forward. Inhale, open. Look up, yes. Both hands down, bring the other leg forward. Knee straight. Inhale all the way up. Exhale all the way down. Okay, go down. Kashni, go all the way down. So you have to go all the way down. Right leg back. Inhale, open. Go down. Yes. Both hands down, bring the other leg back. Exhale, mount. Knee down, chest down, chin down. Inhale, cobra. Exhale, child. Inhale, cat. Exhale, mountain. Right leg forward. Inhale, open. Both hands down. Bring the other leg forward. Knee straight. Inhale all the way up. Exhale all the way down. Left leg back. Inhale, open. Both hands down. Bring the other leg back. Exhale, mountain. Knee down, chest down, chin down. Inhale, cobra. Exhale, child. Inhale, cat. Exhale, mountain. Left leg forward. Inhale, open. Both hands down. Bring the other leg forward. Knee straight. Inhale. All the way up. Exhale, center. Good. Inhale, sideways up. Exhale, center. Okay. Inhale, upward facing. Exhale, downward facing. Breathe now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Look up slightly. Bend your knees and jump in. Legs together, knees straight. Inhale, head up. Exhale, all the way down. Inhale, sideways up. Exhale, release. Last round. Inhale, up. Sideways. Exhale, all the way down. Inhale, head up. Bend your knees and jump out, Chaturanga. Exhale. Inhale, upward facing. Exhale, downward facing. Breathe now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Look up slightly. Bend your knees and jump in, knees straight. Inhale, head up. Exhale, all the way down. Inhale, sideways up. Exhale, release. Ashtanga B. Okay, wipe your face. Ashtanga B. For those who don't know Ashtanga B, you can just look. If you can do it, just do, okay? I think all have done Ashtanga B. Nashni, have you have done Ashtanga B? No. Yes, okay. If you want, you can try. Okay, come. Legs together. Roll up your chest. Inhale, touch, come up. Utkatasana, chair pose. Exhale all the way down. Inhale, head up. Bend your knees, jump out, Chaturanga, exhale. Okay, inhale, upward facing. Exhale, downward facing. Right leg forward. Virabhadrasana, warrior pose. Yes, good. Exhale, Chaturanga. Inhale, upward facing. Exhale, downward facing. Left leg forward. Warrior pose. Exhale, Chaturanga. Inhale, upward facing. Exhale, downward facing. Breathe now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Look up slightly. Bend your knees and jumping knees straight. Inhale, head up. Exhale all the way down. Inhale, touch, come up, Utkatasana, chair pose. Exhale, release. Tasha, this again you have to, when you jump out right leg, jump out பண்ணும்போது right leg, left leg போங்க. Or that actually I didn't record. I just realized. I paused and then I forgot to resume back. Okay? Okay, come. Second round, legs together, roll up your chest, Samasthitihi. Inhale, touch, come up, Utkatasana. Exhale all the way down. Inhale, head up, bend your knees, jump out, Chaturanga. If you can't jump out, right leg back, left leg, go Chaturanga. This is Chaturanga. If you can't hold Chaturanga, you go full body down. Inhale, upward facing. Try to hold Chaturanga. It gives good hand strength. Exhale, downward facing. Right leg forward. Virabhadrasana, warrior pose. Exhale, Chaturanga, body down. Inhale, upward facing. Exhale, downward facing. Left leg forward. Good. Warrior pose. Look up. Hands straight. Elbow straight. Legs down. Exhale. Chaturanga. Inhale. Upward facing. Exhale. Downward facing. Breathe. Now, do as much as you can. Okay. If you've not been doing Ashtanga B, take it slowly. Do not rush. Okay. If you can't, you can just sit down. Take deep inhalation, exhalation, and relax. 4, 5. Look up slightly, bend your knees and jump forward. Knees straight, legs together. Inhale, head up. Exhale, all the way down. Inhale, touch, come up. Exhale, release. Third round. Inhale, touch, come up. Exhale, all the way down. Inhale, head up. Bend your knees and jump out, Chaturanga. Exhale, body down. Inhale, upward facing. Exhale, downward facing. Right leg forward. Warrior pose, Virabhadrasana. 90 degrees, front leg, back leg, down. Make sure knee is straight, elbow straight, up. Exhale, Chaturanga, body down. Inhale, upward facing. Exhale, downward facing. Left leg forward. Virabhadrasana. Exhale, Chaturanga. Exhale, Chaturanga. Inhale, upward facing. Exhale, downward facing. Breathe now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Look up slightly, bend your knees and jump in, knees straight. Legs together. Inhale, head up. Exhale, all the way down. Inhale, touch, come up. Exhale, release. Fourth round. Fourth round, right? Yes. Okay. Inhale, touch, come up. Utkatasana, chair pose. Exhale, all the way down. Inhale, head up. Bend your knees. Jump out. Chaturanga, exhale. Inhale, upward facing. Exhale, downward facing. Right leg forward. Virabhadrasana, warrior pose. Inhale, up. Exhale, Chaturanga, body down. Inhale, upward facing. Exhale, downward facing. Left leg forward. Virabhadrasana, inhale. Exhale, Chaturanga. Inhale, upward facing. Exhale, downward facing. Breathe now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Look up slightly, bend your knees and jump forward. Knees straight. Inhale, head up. Exhale all the way down. Inhale, touch and come up. Exhale, release. Last round. Inhale, touch, come up. Exhale all the way down. Inhale, head up. Bend your knees and jump out, chaturanga. Exhale. Inhale, upward facing. Exhale, downward facing. Right leg forward. Warrior pose. Inhale. Exhale, chaturanga. Inhale, upward facing. Exhale, downward facing. Left leg forward. Virabhadrasana warrior. Exhale, chaturanga. Inhale, upward. Exhale, downward. Breathe. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Look up slightly, bend your knees and jump forward. Knees straight. Inhale, head up. Exhale all the way down. Inhale, touch, come up. Exhale, release. Okay, take some rest. Okay, regulate your breathing. Wipe your face, drink some water, sit down. All okay? Tired? Yes. Okay, there were some of you did ask me on இன்னைக்கு வந்து சந்திர கிரகணமா? Right. Okay, some of them been asking if they can practice, can do this, can do that. Okay, the answer நான் கொடுக்கிறதுக்குள்ள மாஸ்டர் கொடுத்துட்டாரு. Master Durai have posted long write up on if you can practice. Do you think the question is, Master, can I practice during Chandra Grahanam? Okay, the post is on my yoga page. I mean, Yoga with Malini la vandu I've story la vandu I've reposted. Actually, you can check out. The answer is there. Okay, if you want to read, because it's a long answer. Okay, the answer is yes, you can practice. Why? Yeah, இப்படினா நீங்க வந்து போய் படிங்க. Okay, definitely you can practice. There's no harm in practicing yoga during all this period. Okay, okay. Belief இருக்கலாம், மூட நம்பிக்கை இருக்க கூடாது. Okay, that is like a small thing. But the answer is yes. Okay, for those who have asked me this question. All right, are we good? Shall we go into our poses today? Okay, there will be two. Okay, one pose that I will be teaching. So we will be doing preparatory asana. Some of you have done this pose. Some of you are, I think most of you are very new to this pose. It's called Bird of Paradise pose. Okay, let me see how many of you have done it. Bird of Paradise. Swarga Dvijasana. யார் செஞ்சிருக்கா? சன்ஸ்கிரிட்ல அதனால தான் நான் இங்கிலீஷ்ல சொல்றேன். Bird of Paradise. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, 5, 6. Okay, Tasha செஞ்சிருக்கோம். யோசிக்கிறாங்க செஞ்சிருக்குமா இல்லையா? செஞ்சிருக்கோம். Okay. Okay, Bird of Paradise and revolved Bird of Paradise. Okay, 2 in 1 madri. Okay, one pose, rendu type. Okay, but we will do we'll look into Bird of Paradise and also revolved Bird of Paradise, which okay, this pose moonu part of our body weight it's focusing. One is balancing. Okay, definitely you have to balance, because in a standing position you will be balancing in one leg. Okay, second, hip flexibility. Okay, hip and hand flexibility, I would say. ஏன்னா நீங்க வந்து when you open up your leg, you will definitely stretch that part, the hip part. Okay, third is leg strengthening. Okay, strengthens your leg because you will be standing in one leg, definitely. So ரெண்டு காலம் செய்யும்போது மாறி மாறி செய்யும்போது you definitely will need the strength. You will know how much strength you have in balancing one leg and stretching up the other leg. Okay, I will show the pose later, but before that we will look into preparatory asana. Okay, those everyone can do this pose. There's no restrictions. Only restriction is will be your hip. Today, if you have not done your hip flexi for very long, today we will know how much flexibility your hip has and how much balanced is your body. See, normally வந்து நான் என்ன சொல்றதுன்னா balancing வந்து when you focus. See, classல வந்து balancing வந்து ஒரு ஆள் விழுந்துட்டோம்னா எல்லாருமே they will actually move and they will fall. But now everyone is at home, so focus. Take a point of focus when you're doing this pose. Take a point of focus and just focus there, and also focus in your breathing. Okay, you will definitely can achieve. You will see the difference between doing in the class and also doing here. Okay, in a classroom நிறைய பேர் இருப்பாங்க, நிறைய பேர் இருப்போம். A bit of distraction you will have, because here you'll see here she's doing or I'm doing, or my friend is doing, everyone is doing, but you'll get a bit of distraction. Okay, at home you are doing it alone. I hope everyone can do bird of paradise. இன்னைக்கு எல்லாமே paradise இருக்க போறோம். Okay, and I want all of you to take a picture of you doing bird of paradise and send to me. Okay, you can send PM to me or you can send in the group also. Okay, shall we? All right. Okay, now okay, go to the mat. You're all in the mat. I'm the one who's on the mat. Open up your leg widely as much as you can. Okay. Okay, interlock your hands at the back. Okay, like this. Okay. So you'll be sitting. So you'll interlock like this, your hand at the back. Okay. Okay, you interlock and slowly you will go down, chin touching the knee. Okay, got it? See, do not carry the leg, the other leg like this. Not like this, huh? Both legs straight. You go. See, do not look down like this. Look forward. Okay? And then you will do the other side. Come, let's do. Okay, open up your leg widely as much as you can. Okay, interlock your finger. Okay, keep your spine straight. Interlock your finger at the back. Okay. Rashni can open a bit more. You are கொஞ்சம் close பண்ணிக்கோங்க. Too much opened, I think. Close a bit. Are you okay? Are you comfortable in that position? Okay, but make sure your knee is not coming up when you are doing the pose. Okay, இன்னைக்கு ரொம்ப slip ஆகுது tongue. Okay, interlock your finger. Shruti, I think your hand is not locked properly. இப்படி இல்ல, not pushing out, it's pushing in. Okay, inhale, head up. Exhale, go to the right hand side first. Right leg first. Carry up your hand. Good, good. Go, 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 go. Stay wherever you are, no worries. Just look forward, move forward, look at your toes. Okay? The pose looked easy, right? Yes. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Push your hand from the back hand should go up. Go as much as you can. Go up, go up. 8, 9, 10. Slowly come up. Are we okay? Not okay. Back pain. Okay. See, the pose might look easy, Okay, when I'm doing, when you all are doing certain pose, or when you see yoga, wow, this pose is so easy. Yes, it's easy with a lot of practice. Okay, definitely it's easy. Okay, now do the other side. Lock, interlock. Okay, see, bring your hand forward. Okay, Inhale, head up. Exhale, go down. I'm going to go slow count. Push yourself forward. 1, 2, 3. Push your chest forward. 4, 5. Good, you are. Go. You can go. Darshini, push yourself down. 5, 6. Valikida. 7, 8, 9, 10. Slowly come up. அங்கங்க புடிச்சிக்கிச்சு யாருக்கோ here pain. See why here pain is this part all is getting stretched. அதனால அந்த இழுக்கிற ஃபீல்லாம் வரும். This hand will get because it's from behind you are pushing it. Okay? Any other pain you having?
Why I'm even unable to move at all. கொஞ்சம் கூட முன்னுக்கு போல கையும் இவ்வளவுதான் வருது.
வரும் செய்யுங்க. Go push. Go. Inhale, exhale, go down. Okay, stuck ஆயிடுச்சு. Cannot. Can actually practice your normal போங்க. கை பின்னாடி வைக்காம normal போங்க. How many of you can touch, go nearer to your leg compared to locking the hand behind? See how many of you can go. So இத practice பண்ணுனா okay, good. See if you can go this means that the other pose also, the actual pose you can go. ஏன்னா இந்த கை பின்னாடி இருக்கறனால see it's pushing, so you have to push down. You see when you open you can go down. Yes, this one you can go. When you interlock you feel like you're stuck, right? Because you know why? Because you're not pushing it down. This hand, see my hand, it's pushing it down. When I carry this hand I'm going down. When I carry this hand I'm going down. When I carry this hand I'm going down. Okay? Okay, you try this. Okay, if you want to try, you can try again. Okay? That one you can go means, this one you can go means, this one also you can go. At least, although it's not touching, you can go at least closer. Okay? Try both sides. Okay, second one, Baddha Konasana. Okay, variation of Baddha Konasana. Baddha Konasana, you know, you will be sitting like this. Okay, sole touching each other. Okay, normally we will push down, right? Or we will do the butterfly thing. Now, you will sit like this. Spine straight. Hold below. Slowly carry up. Closer to your abdomen or closest to your stomach. You carry up. You come closer to your stomach. You stay. 1, 2. So do not go like this, huh? So you stretch and then you stretch it up. Okay, this one. It opens this one. Okay, means you will be pulling this. Means you will be pulling this closer. Do not do this. Open up. Balancing and pulling this closer. Do. No wall support, huh? Your sitting bone is your support. Okay, ready? Lift up. Inhale up. Come closer to your body. Inhale up. Now carry. 1. Good, you are. You feel the flex. எவ்வளவு closer கொண்டு வர முடியுமோ அவ்வளவு closer கொண்டு வாங்க. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Slowly release. Good. Good balancing. Third one will be, remember this pose, everyone? Baby cradle? Yes, Anna, baby cradle. Okay. Now, from here, okay, you will bend your right. Okay. Show you see when you bend, you don't bring close, but you bring outer. Okay. So when you put it on you will bring it out. Okay. You won't bring closer like this, you bring out. So this one, right leg, left hand holding it. Okay. Left hand holding it, touching the left ear. Okay. Remember, right leg you carry, right leg is touching the left ear using the left hand. Okay. Right hand getting hold your left toe. So it will be like this. Knee not bent, straight knee. Okay. Like this. Okay. Got it? Let's do. கால் ஏ கிட்ட வரணும், ஏ கால் கிட்ட போக கூடாது. As usual. Right leg to left ear. Right leg to left ear. If it's not touching, it's okay. Don't worry. Slowly. Right leg left ear. Right hand left toe. Okay. Good. Can. Yes. Can. Yes. It's okay, Tasha. It's okay. It's okay if you can. Do not overdo. Overforce yourself. Go 1, 2, 3, 4. Actually, bend yourself a bit. 5. Cannot. Slowly. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Switch leg. Yes. Hand, leg, hip, all moved. Yes, good. Go. Come. Left leg. You go to the right ear. Carry up. You have to carry up your leg. Left hand, try to get hold of your right toe. Go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Slowly release. Next one will be sit straight. Okay. Bend. You interlock. You can hold like this also. You can interlock like this. Okay. Closer. Slowly carry up. Try to reach. Okay. Straight. Try to reach. Go. Bend, interlock, and then pull up. Okay, closer to your. Yes, good. 1, 2, 3, 4. Breathe, breathe. 5. Knee shouldn't be bent. Knee must be straight. 6. Knee straight. Knee straight. Chin towards your knee. 7, 8, 9, 10. Slowly come down. Switch leg. Yes, interlock. And then slowly. See, if you can't hold on your feet, you can hold your calf. Okay, adjust according to your body. Yes. Go inhale up. Exhale, touch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Slowly release. Okay, இன்னைக்கு mostly sitting, ஒரே ஒரு standing மட்டும்தான் இருக்கு. Okay. In our last sitting, and then we will do one standing and then we go into the pose. Okay. Okay, now stretch out your leg. Bend your right leg. Okay, because we will start with right leg. You lift up, you place it on your arms or your shoulder. Okay, like this. Okay, this leg firmly pressed. Okay, I'll show again. You'll carry up. Okay, this pose is like halfway to the pose already. Halfway to Swarga Dvijasana. Okay, place it on your upper arm or on your shoulder. Okay, and interlock at the back, like this. If your hand is not interlocking, you can use your towel. Show. You can take any towel. You can use to interlock. You can use to interlock like this. You're not touching, so it will help you. Okay. Okay. So use the towel's help to hold it like this, like you are holding the towel there. You can see. Okay. From here, those who can interlock. Those who are using towel, use towel. With your spine straight, lift up your leg. Straight leg. Okay. Try. Okay, and smile as usual. Look forward, stay, and then switch leg, interlock, and do. Come, let's do. Lift up the leg, place it on the arms, upper arms, or on your shoulder. No. Neeraj, right leg over. Sorry, right hand will be down. Over your right leg will be over your right arm. Yes, correct. Yes, betul. Everyone doing it right. Place it. Yes. Slowly lift up your leg up. Good. See, towel எவ்வளவு கிட்ட பிடிக்க முடியுமோ அவ்வளவு கிட்ட பிடிச்சுக்கோங்க. Okay. Towel one hand பிடிக்காதீங்க. Your hand must be closer. Okay, go. Dashni, go. Towel, any cloth. Go 1. Go up, everyone. 2. Straighten up the leg. Leg must be straight. Try to straighten up. 3. Tasha, nera ponga kali. 4. 5. 6. Can do. 7. Go. Push yourself. 8. Sasikala. 2. 9. I can watch everyone. 10. Release. Let's do the other side. This is halfway to the pose. This pose is already halfway to that pose. It is sitting la serom, நம்ம standing la apra sevom. Okay, come. Left leg. Interlock at the back. Yes. Yes. See, one leg could be tighter than the other, or one hip could be tighter than the other, but it's all practice. Huh? Look up, inhale up, straighten up your leg. Yes, go one. Niroj, your leg should be on your arms. Varamatunda. Two. Varom. Sing. You are, can. 3, 4, 5, 6. Rukesh, இன்னும் கொஞ்சம் அந்த கால் இது பண்ணுங்க. 7. Sangeeta. Can. Slowly. 8, 9, 10. Slowly come up. Okay. All good. Good. Yes. Okay. Now we will do the one standing pose and then we will go into actual pose. Okay. You open up your leg like this. You will go down. See, I'll show this way. அப்புறம் கை எப்படி இருக்குன்னு நான் show பண்றேன். See, bend this knee slightly. You will go down. You try to lock and then straighten up. Okay. I'll show you this side. So we are doing right leg. So like this, you bend slightly. You open a bit wider. Slightly you bend. Interlock. See, இது lock பண்ணும்போது முடியாட்டியோ use thumb and then straighten up. Stay. And then do the other side. Come. Let's do right leg. Knee must be straight when you are actually pushing it. Okay. Niroj, you're hyper bending your knee. Relax your knee. Prem, are you here? Okay. Okay, bend your knee. Right hand into right leg. Now we are doing right leg. Right hand, go inside your right leg. Okay, try to get hold from the back. Yes. Try to straighten up your knee. Yes, feel the stretch. Yes, 1, 2, 3. Dashni, correct சரிங்க போங்க. Try to straighten up. ரொம்ப திறந்துட்டீங்க. கால் ரொம்ப திறந்துட்டீங்க. கொஞ்சம் க்ளோஸ் பண்ணிக்கோங்க. 4. Kashni, right hand should be inside, not outside. Yes. 5. Sangeeta, saying it? Correct. Kashni, Dashni? Yes, correct. Straighten up the leg. 6. Yes. 7. 8. Good, you are. Good progress. 9. 10. Slowly release to the left leg. Yes. See, for those who are still confused, see, you're open like this. Okay, you're bending. See, it's not means your elbow will be nearer to your knee. Can you see? See, when you bend like this, your elbow is nearer to your knee. And then you straighten up. Okay, like this. Okay, இப்படி இல்ல. I mean like, how I would say. It's not like this. So that you can't straighten up. It's elbow nearer to the knee. Come. Left leg, okay, good. 1, 2, 3, 4. You are அந்த பக்கத்து கொண்டு போணும் கை. Okay, correct. இல்ல correct. எட்லியா? Okay, okay. Yeah, correct. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Slowly come up. Okay, good. Relax your hand, relax your leg. Actual pose is here. We're going to do the actual pose. Okay. Okay, you'll open slightly. Not too wide, too wide na balance பண்ண முடியாது. கால் straight இந்த so right leg செய்ய போறோம் இந்த கால் straight இருக்கணும் left கால். Okay? From here you will go down, try to interlock. See, you go down, bend slightly, interlock. Okay, interlock at the back. Can you see? Like this, interlock at the back. Okay? Okay? From here, slowly you lift up. Remember the sitting pose? Straighten up your spine and slowly you will stretch it out. Okay? Got it? From the side I will show. You will go down, slide bend for you to interlock your hand. Okay, from here, see, left leg should be firmly pressed. And then be on your toe to slowly lift up. Balance yourself first here. Here you balance yourself. Balance yourself, spine stay, stretch out. Okay? Let's do. Can we? Yes, can. Try. There's nothing is impossible. Your body can do everything. Just that you need practice. Dashni, elbow on the closer to the knee. Not nadulella. Elbow, right leg, right leg. Okay, right. No. Bring your right. Stand straight. Okay, bring your right hand below your right thigh. Yes, correct. Okay, now slowly lift up your right leg. Balance. Lift up. Yeah, நீங்க இப்ப செஞ்சது கரெக்ட் தான். ஆனா கால் கொஞ்சம் க்ளோஸ் பண்ணிட்டு balance. Balance பண்ணிட்டு the left leg should be strong. Should be balanced. This is how you do. Correct. Can. Do not give up. 1. Everyone do. 2. 3. 4. Gila, good. 5. Tasha, slightly. No, kunjam. 6. 7. Good. Everyone doing good. Come on. Do it. Good. Dashini, good. That's how you do it. Yes. 8. 9. 10. Slowly come down. See, practice this. Almost everyone is almost there. Everyone, all of you are almost there. Let's do the left leg. Come. Okay, good. Ready, prepare, go up. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Slowly calm down. All okay? All okay? Okay. So now we will be doing revolving bird of paradise. இன்னும் முடியல, ஒன்னு இருக்கு. Okay, last one. Okay, before we finish. Come, revolving. See, மொத வந்து revolving na, we will be doing the opposite side. Okay, just now we did here, right leg, right hand. Okay, same side. Now we will be doing the opposite side. Means you will carry up your right, your left leg, left hand will be going to this side, interlocking below this. Okay. Interlocking below this, you will hold and then you straighten up. Okay, from the side, see. You carry up right, see left. So right, left hand will be going like this. Okay, left hand going, interlock below. Use the towel if you want to straighten up and straighten up your leg. Okay, got it? Who didn't get it? All okay? Also no? யார் பார்க்கல? எல்லாம் பாத்தீங்களா? Okay, Anusila, yes, I saw you. Jamuna, okay? No, you didn't see. You saw, okay. All okay, I'll show again, huh? I'll show again. Okay. Sideways காமிக்கிறேன். Okay, sideways. I think sideways is easier. So you'll be standing sideways. Okay, you can stand straight also like this. Okay. Right leg you'll carry. Okay. So right leg you carry. Left knee, left elbow touching the right knee. And then going in like this. So in the kai வந்து trying to get hold of the hand. And then straighten. எப்படி பார்க்கும்போது like this, see straighter, you will go like this. You will turn your body to the opposite side. You will hold here. See the guy will come down here. Can you see my left hand? Right hand, try to get hold and then straighten up. Come. Try. Try, yes. Try. If you can't hold, if your hand is not going in, it's okay. Just try. One day it will be there. Tasha, correct. Saying it. I want everyone to take picture of bird of paradise and send me. Because everyone can do it already. The other hand must go down. Jamuna, the other hand, see your hand is, no, the other hand should come from the back. And then go down, yes. And the towel, yes, correct. Go one. Everyone doing right. Menagas try பண்ணுங்க பார்க்கறேன். Correct. Yes, betul. Just that balance and 5. You are saying it? Correct. Betul. Sudah sana. Almost reaching. 8, 9, 10. Okay, switch side. Dashni saying நான் பார்க்கறேன். Switch side. இல்ல, wrong. Okay, carry up your left. Okay, right hand. Turn. Yes. Correct. try to from இல்ல அங்கதான் correct. இது நீங்க செய்து correct. இல்ல அந்த கை அந்த பக்கம் கொண்டு வாங்க. கை கீழ கொண்டு வாங்க. yes, yes. தாஷா செய்யுங்க. இழுத்துக்குச்சா? Okay. Rest. 1. Try to straighten up. Dashini, try to straighten up. It's okay if it's not touching. Try to straighten up the leg. 2. Good. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Calm down. Relax yourself. Sit down. All okay? Have you revolved? Yes. See, revolve now opposite. Good. See, for those who have done it before, did you see your progress? Yes? Okay, most of you are doing very well. You are, especially you. You are good. You are so flexible already now. Okay? Okay. All good? Paramesh, இன்னைக்கு நான் உங்களை அவ்வளவு கவனிக்கல. But good. I saw your poses. Good. Everyone is progressing very well for those who are actually being with me for almost a year or a year plus. Okay, any questions before we end our session? All good? All okay? Yes, kai valikum, idupu valikum. It's normal. You will definitely recover because this is not injury. This is just stretches. If you have intense pain, then you let me know. Okay. Most of you, I don't think so. None of you will have injury by doing this. Unless you are doing it wrongly, then yes. Okay. But I saw all of you are doing it right. Just that it's the matter of time and practice. And also the flexibility. Okay. சிலவங்களுக்கு சீக்கிரம் flexible வந்துரும். சிலவங்களுக்கு slow processல தான் flexible ஆகும். Okay, do a lot of preparatory pose. As I told you, you can do morning practice like Hatha Surya Namaskar. இப்போ வந்து நம்ம full yoga செஞ்சோம்ல Hatha Surya Namaskar, Ashtanga A, Ashtanga B. ஆனா நீங்க நார்மலா மார்னிங் பிராக்டிஸ் பண்ணும்போது அஷ்டங்க A, அஷ்டங்க B செய்ய வேண்டாம். அஷ்டங்க A சூரிய நமஸ்கார், அஷ்டங்க B சூரிய நமஸ்கார் செய்ய வேண்டாம். Hatha Surya Namaskar மட்டும் செஞ்சுட்டு you can choose poses that you want to do, like Bird of Paradise. Okay, Bird of Paradise ku enna preparatory. Maybe 2 or 3. No need to do everything that I've thought. 1 or 2, and you want to do some other pose. Quick one. See, stay longer in each pose. Ipa now the 10 counts. My 10 counts is quite fast, okay? Because we want to do a lot of poses. You can do longer count, like 1, pause, then 2, or you can go longer. You can follow my count, or you can go longer, 20 counts, 30 counts. Depends on your timing and so on. Okay? All right? Okay, practice well. Stay safe, stay happy. Thank you so much for joining today. I'll see you all tomorrow. Okay, replacement class. Method replacement class. Naliki. I'll see you all tomorrow. And stay safe, stay blessed. Take care. Bye-bye. Thank you so much. Good night.
Thank you.